Academic Search Premier is a multidisciplinary database that provides the full text of more than 8,500 periodicals, including the full text of more than 4,600 peer-reviewed scholarly journals. It includes scholarly journals in the fields of sociology, psychology, criminal justice, art, literature, philosophy, religion, history, political science, biology, chemistry, and many more. It is a good database to start with if you are looking for information from scholarly and professional journals to support your research. In the Academic Search Premier subject search tutorial, I showed you how to search for articles using the subject term thesaurus. When searching for scholarly and professional literature, it is important to consider the academic terminology used by scholars in the disciplines because you are attempting to match your search terms with the terminology used in the database records or in the text of the articles. I located 8 articles using a complex subject term search related to water consumption, restrictions, and shortages in the subject searching tutorial. I'm pretty sure that there are more articles in Academic Search Premier that discuss how the consumption of water leads to water shortages in the United States and how restricting water use might help reduce shortages. In the subject searching tutorial, I did not attempt to search for articles that specifically discuss the economic or political aspects of the topic. I will now do a complex keyword search to see how many relevant articles I can locate that discuss aspects of my research topic. I will construct the search like this. This search requests the database to locate articles containing either the words consumption or restriction, and then narrow those results to articles that contain some form of the word economic or political, and then narrow those results to articles that contain the phrase water shortage or water shortages. This search locates 189 results. Again, it appears that many of the articles discuss the issue outside of the United States. If I want articles that only discuss the issue as it relates to the United States, I can go to the Geography cluster and choose United States. I now get 9 results. Since I got so few results, it is worth locating an article that appears to be on my topic and see if there are other words that I can use to search for additional articles. I will select the second article entitled Trading Water since it appears to cover my topic focus. When I look at the article record, I see a number of words that might be useful in developing a new search. Those words include conservation and government, and the subject term water use. I will use these words to create a new search. This search results in 1,238 results. I can limit the results to the United States again. Which gives me 90 results. If I only want to view the peer-reviewed scholarly journal articles, I can limit to scholarly peer-reviewed journals. This reduces my results to 49. Another approach to increase the scope of the search is to include other relevant EBSCO databases. To do this, I press the Choose Databases link. Since my topic is about how to reduce water shortages and the economic and political issues involved in doing so, I will not want to choose all the databases. I only want databases that contain scholarly and professional journals dealing with aspects of my topic focus. Looking over the databases options, I will select Business Source Premier, CINAHL Plus, and Health Source Nursing Academic. When I redo my revised keyword search, I get 2,028 results. I'll limit the results to those that are scholarly journals with the geographic heading for the United States. I get 89 articles, which almost doubles the number of articles located. Some of the articles are from Academic Search Premier, and some are from the other two databases. To learn how to print, save, email, and cite the articles, watch the EBSCO Search Results Overview tutorial. This ends the Academic Search Premier Keyword Search tutorial.